From the start of 2025 to 2026 academic year, Edexcel International School offers the world-renowned Edexcel iGCSE program for our grade 9 and grade 10 students. To ensure that students meet the minimum requirements for equivalence from the UAE Ministry of Education and entry requirements for entering the IAS, IAL program in EIS or other British curriculum schools or international and local tertiary institutions, students must successfully pass at least 5, preferably 6-7 subjects in this program. From 2027 to 2028 academic year, grade 11 and grade 12 students, who achieve the minimum entry requirements, will then follow the Edexcel IAS and IA level qualifications. To ensure that students meet the minimum requirements for equivalence from the UAE Ministry of Education and entry requirements for international and local tertiary institutions, students must successfully pass at least 2, preferably 3, IAS, IAL subjects in this program. The iGCSE is suitable for the entire ability range. It has a 9-point scale of grades from 9 to 1, with truly outstanding students achieving a 9. The scheme of examinations also offers a choice between core and extended curricula, based on the interests and abilities of the student. We ensure that all of our students are offered the opportunity to follow the extended curriculum so that they can achieve the highest grades. The following are the iGCSE subjects offered for grade 9 and 10 students. These subjects are mandatory and they will be conducted during the academic school day. We have English language, mathematics, chemistry, biology, physics, business, and physical education, which each subject is credited to 1 point and a Ministry of Education equivalence. However, physical education does not. The student can choose between ICT or computer science, which either of the subjects is credited by 1 point and is MO equivalence. Please note that the courses will be offered when a minimum of 5 students register for the course. The following subjects are optional and they will be conducted after the academic school day. We have literature in English, French, Pakistan studies, Islamic studies, and Urdu, with each subject is credited to 1 point and are MOE equivalents. Please note that the courses will be offered when a minimum of 5 students register for the course. Below are subjects from the Ministry of Education that are mandatory and they will be conducted during the academic school day. Arabic as a first language or Arabic as an additional language. Islamic education for Arabus or Islamic education for non-Arabic, or personal health and economic for non-Muslims. Moral, social and cultural studies for Arabs or moral, social and cultural studies for non-Arabs. There are 3 academic pathways that we offer. First is we have Pathway A that focuses in sciences, and ICT, which iGCSE to IAS or IAL will be in Edexcel International School. Second is Pathway B that focuses on commerce, which iGCSE to IAS or IAL will be in Edexcel International School. However, during grade 11 and 12, that student will go to Al-An Junior School, British system. Third is we have Pathway C that focuses in vocational, which iGCSE will be in Edexcel International School. However, during grade 11, the student will go to a foundation year in a university, and during grade 12, the student will start the graduate or degree program after completing the foundation year in the same or other university. When choosing your academic pathway, you must think you may want as a future career. Which subjects do you enjoy and are good at? Which subjects are important for your overall development? Unlock a world of excellence in education for your child at Edexcel International School.